So, good day everyone, my name is Cancer Solis, and for this part of the video, I am gonna tackle about the socio-emotional development of primary schoolers. So, learning objectives is to identify the characteristics of primary school age children and discuss the factors that affect their socio-emotional growth. So, introduction, can you please read everyone? Okay, thank you. So, developmental psychologist Erik Erikson introduced an 8 stages of psychosocial development. So, each stage involves a challenge na kailangan i-resolve for a healthy psychological growth. So, for children in primary schools, the key stage for them is industry versus inferiority. So, at this point, ang children nagasugod na og formal education where school becomes central to their lives and how they handle their academic tasks and social expectations, and it determines whether they feel competent or the sense of industry or inadequate or the sense of inferiority. So in this part, the industry versus inferiority. So everyone, pakibasa please. Okay, thank you, So, in this psychosocial stage, ang children is expected to engage in structured tasks such as school works. So, when they are encouraged and they succeed, they develop a sense of industry because they feel capable and confident na succeed sila sa ilang gibuhat, kanang perfect ang ilang gibuhat. Pero, ang usa ka bata naka-face nag-repeated failure or lack of positive reinforcement or kanang wala na siya encourage ang usa ka bata, it would feel inferior. So this can lead to a self-doubt and the avoidance of the challenges. So a child's sense of self-worth becomes deeply tied to school performance and adult feedback. So, for this part is the comic strip analysis. So, everyone, i-analyze nyo ang picture. What do you guys think? Okay, saba ang motor. What? Okay, thank you. So, ang comic strip, shows a child na nag-start with confidence. Sa first picture, nag-start siya confident ang usa ka bata. Kaduha nga picture is, nag-face ang usa ka bata og confusion. Ang third picture is na unsure na siya ang usa ka bata nung kana siya ka sure sa iyang kinabuhi. And next is ending with frustration. So kani siya nga comic strip analysis, guys, is represents a child struggling with a task and eventually giving up. So this is a perfect example of Erikson's concept of inferiority. So the negative outcome when children feel they are failing or unable to complete their schoolwork. So, this stage of development is sensitive to how adults, so this stage of development is sensitive ni siya kung saan sa adult or sa teachers o parents, for example, mo respond sa usa ka bata nga effort. So, if nahimo na siya, so encouragement can lead to a sense of industry, while lack of support may reinforce feelings of failure. Next one is the understanding the self. So everyone, pakibasa, So thank you everyone sa pagbasa. Bahala ko kadungog. But yeah. So kidding aside, so in this stage, ang children is nagabigay na siya og form of a stronger self-concept. So this includes an understanding of their traits, their physical abilities, their values, and their goals. So pag naa kay healthy self-concept means ang usa ka bata, they feel accepted and they believe to their abilities nga mabuhat og tama and has a positive relationship with family and peers. So this sense of self is shaped not only by parents but also added kanang gidungagan po sa teachers no o sa iyang mga classmates, and the children becomes aware of their strengths and frustrations and how others view them. So mo to siya, if you understand yourself, so and you have a healthy one, then you are good. Thank you. So mo ta kong part, everyone, no. So next part is gonna be hulaan nyo. Thank you.